Are you new to digital marketing but you do not know how to create your designs? Canva is here for you. You do not have to be a professional graphic designer to use Canva. So if you are the person who want to create social media posts, you want to create a business presentation, you want to create PDF documents, Canva is for you. This video we are going to explore the basics of Canva, from feature to feature, how you can use the template in there to create eye-catching, outstanding design that you can present or pitch to entrepreneurs and start your freelancing journey using Canva. So first of all, you are going to open your browser and go to Canva. So you go to canva.com. If you haven't created an account yet, you should go and create an account. And if you have an account, so you should log into your account to the dashboard of Canva. Once you have logged in, you are going to see this dashboard, right? So on your left hand side, you are going to see templates. This is where you can get all the templates. Photos, you can search for any photo, like you have stock photos that you can use. Either you are using a free version of Canva or either you are using a pro version, you are going to get free and paid stock photos in here. And you can also use graphics. There's a lot of graphics that are there for you to use for your designs. The creators that are currently creating all these free templates for us that we use. And also you can come here and create your folder, right? So still you see the plus sign, that is where you can start searching for a template, or you start creating from scratch depending on the design that you are going to do. And the home page, it takes us back to the dashboard. You're going to see the designs that you have created before, and if you are still new to Canva, you are going to see this is empty and you have templates that you can use. There is projects folder. If you have created some projects before, they are going to show here, and templates if you just want to dive into different templates that are there on Canva. If you are using Canva Pro, you can create your own brand that is relatable to your business, and you have AI within Canva, so you can just search anything that you want using AI and it's going to give you everything. Like either you are creating an image, either you are generating text, either you are generating a video. So Canva has it all, right? So I am going to take you step by step on how you can find a right template for your designs, right? So either you are creating a social media carousel for Instagram, for TikTok, for Facebook, or you are creating a business presentation, a business plan, or a homework. You are a student, you want to create a PDF document. Everything is possible. Okay guys, so we are going back on our home page where we started, and what we are going to do, we're going to choose templates. You are going to see a lot of templates, from presentations to posters to resumes to email to logos, Instagram posts, Instagram stories, videos, invitations. You have it. So you can use them based on what you want to create, and you are going to see what are trending here and you can use them. Let me say, for example, you are going to create a video for TikTok. to overtake your video, of course, so you want to put it somewhere on your video where it can be shown, right? So it depends of what you want, like, or what message you want to give to your audiences. You can search any element that you want to use for your video. So if you have created like you want to change the template, you have different templates here that you can use from, right? If you wanna add a new video, or press the sign and then just come here and search. Subscribe down here and give this video a thumbs up. So let's dive in. That's how you create your TikTok or your Instagram reel using Canva. You search for a video template based on the screen size. Either you want it to be shown on the mobile phone, so you are going to create according to what you are designing. So let's go back to our So you are going to use you're going to choose the template that aligns with what you want, with the message that you want to show to your audiences, right? So you can change the text. The text are customizable. Easily add a text using the text feature on your left, right? So from here you can drag and add another text, and you have to resize it according to your font size. If you want to change this from digital marketing, maybe you can change it to writing graphic design, right? Graphic design agency, right? And from this one we can change our photo. If you want to change that, you go to your element and type graphic design, and Canva is going to give you multiple elements on multiple photos that you can use, right? So we're going to remove this one. Maybe we want to use this, and we are going to place it there. So you have to resize. How do you resize? You grab the corner of your design, and then if you don't want it to show the way it is, you can just put it wherever you want and come to position. If you want it to be backward or show at the back, right, and you are going to remove that and it to go in the background, and we can access this one. So you can move it around and place it where you want. So to add the text, you can edit this text type that your design is all about. How to add bold. You can make your text in bold and remove the bold. You can change from small letters to capital letters. You can do the bullet point, right, or remove the bullet point. If you want your text to be transparent, so this is the feature of transparency. The effect, I have shown you how to add, like you want to add effect on your text. Animations, if you want your text to be animated, so this is the animation features on Canva, right? So the position is based on where you want this to be shown. Either you want to be at the back or you want to be at the front. So that's what we call positioning. So from here you have different templates of your posters, and you have text features where you can come, either you want to put a heading or a subheading. If you want to upload an image or you want to upload a video, you have to access your project if you have built-in project already. So how do we change colors? If you want to change a color of your design, here you're going to press there on text colors and change your graphics color according to the color of your brand color, right? So you're going to change it based on your brand color. So we want to change the background, just press there, and then you're going to come here and change your brand color. So Canva has a lot of features that you can apply to your design. If you want to add a music, you have to press the audio feature and you have different music. You see, so you have different music that you can add. If you make it like a video and you wanna add a music effect, so you have music there. If you wanna create a video, maybe you want to put a video and make it look like a presentation, so you can also press on video format and you are going to get your videos there. So this is the brand if you are using Canva Pro. So the brand feature is not for free Canva users, but if you are using a Canva Pro, you can design your brand style, your texts, your brand colors. So you can come to brand and create your brand, right? So you can add your logo there, you can add the color of your brand, depends on what your business is all about, guys. So we have gone through a lot of things. So this is the file where you can create a new design, upload a new file, go to settings, right? Or you want to edit something, so you can just go there. So I love Canva because there is a lot of things that you can do in here, right? If you want to preview your poster, you can preview it there, and then before you download it, and then you close it. And if you want to download this, you press on share. In the share feature, there is a lot you can do. You can either download, and you can download this either as a video, either as a you to start learning how Canva works, because you can use it for freelancing. Go to social media accounts, create your own portfolio of your Canva designs, and start searching for entrepreneurs who do not have time to create their social media designs and create it for them. So you can be a graphic designer using Canva only without you knowing how to use a Photoshop or these high features graphic design softwares. So if this video if you have gained value from this video, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in that video. Thank you.